Good evening, everyone. This is Bill Noble with Token Metrics TV, and this is your market update. Yesterday, I introduced the idea of directional ping pong. First, we were in this uncertain stage of, was it up or down, up or down? Okay. Now we're transitioning. What are we transitioning to? Well, is the bottom confirmed or not confirmed? Do I have to worry about a retest or not? So it's, am I sure? Am I not sure? Am I sure? Am I not sure? Is it confirmed or is it confirmed? Okay, let's go back to a chart from yesterday. I want to harp on this. I haven't done this before where I've trotted out the same chart and pounded the table. Every time we go from spring to summer to fall to winter, okay, on days called the solstice or the equinox, okay, it seems like there's a trend change in Ethereum. Now, I found this by looking at the Ethereum trust that trades in the equity market. So ETH for people who want to do ETH via stocks. Now, as it turns out, if you look onto the right-hand side of the chart, right, last time in March, there was a kind of a final dip and then a huge takeoff. Ironically, I came back to the chart because it was right around the same levels. This whole 1900 to 2000 radius in ETH has been a takeoff point for prior rallies. Okay, specifically the most recent rally, and I think history is about to repeat itself. Now, continuing on this confirmation game. All right, one of the things that we want to see is, yes, yesterday we introduced the idea of ETH above 2200. But in between now and then, we want to see Ethereum moving in 5-wave structures. So what does that mean? That means when Ethereum goes up, we don't want up, down, up. Even though that looks bullish, it isn't. It isn't. What we want to see is up, sideways, up, oop, down again, up. Okay? And the more times Ethereum can put those together, 5 waves up, correct. 5 waves up, correct. Sound familiar out there to any live stream users, maybe? That's called the stop, start phenomenon, which can lead to big trends higher. So what I'm trying to say is Ethereum is giving us a lot of evidence on this particular chart that so far, looking at a 15-minute structure, I know that's a small time frame, but it looks like we're getting 5-wave structures on the way up in Ethereum. Now, another look at the 15-minute chart without the Elliott wave. So if you're like, Bill, okay, that's nice. I understand what you're trying to tell me, but give me something easier. There's a head and shoulders bottom formation in Ethereum on the 15-minute or intraday charts. Ethereum broke out of the formation, came back and retested what we call the neckline. All right, it's kind of almost textbook. So I'm not surprised Ethereum is back above 2,000, and I expect a move to 2,200 as a result of this formation. At the end of the day, friends, it looks like the bottom is in. All that needs to happen is a rally which confirms the bottom is in, which should trigger an even bigger rally. So I think there's going to be a much brighter day in crypto ahead. I think the bottom is in, and all we're waiting for is confirmation, and that good, solid price action is percolating like your morning coffee, all right? And the caffeine's coming for this market. This is Bill Noble from Token Metrics TV. We'll see you next time.